Hi everyone, welcome back to Customizing J.A.M's Planner. Today I have got a little unboxing, well I already unboxed it, I just need to unpackage it and you're going to get my first reactions, but I'm super excited. The products came from the Daily Grind Planner and I just can't wait to dive in. So one of the things I wanted to check out is I like 2-inch discs. These are standard Happy Planner discs, but I like the bigger ones, and I got these on Amazon from Levenger. I don't think they carry much of these, or they're not making as many, but anyway, I am so excited. I want to check out and see what size. Oh my God, look at those gold bows. Oh my God, so cute. And yes, they are the 2-inch ones. I really like that. They're less weight than my Levenger, but they're still metal. So that's a good thing. Oh my God, those are so pretty. I'm glad for the 2-inch. All right, so the reason I went and got this was I wanted to try out their content machine program. It is supposed to help. Okay, first of all, I want to let you know, if you've never heard of the Daily Grind, it is a daily goal setting, move the needle, get your shit together and get it done type of planner. I know that some do decorate it. I've watched a few videos where they decorate it, but it really is about goal setting and getting stuff done. So this is exciting for me because I want to create good content and I want to grow. So they have like content brainstorming, and then they have a monthly, film edited, posted, ideas, just all kinds of things. And I don't know if I will, well, I don't know if I'll show you everything, but I do want to probably have a series of these over the next couple months. I don't know how many months this actually works, but because it's not the planner, it's just the content challenge, I guess we could call it. I can tell you right now from the Happy Planner, these do not have the wide, long, can you see that? It is much smaller, mushroom. So that's a bummer because they actually stay in better when they have a longer thing. However, I was able to download this for free, and it's called Done is Always Better Than Perfect, and it's an anti-procrastination little workbook. And since it was free as a digital download, I printed it. Excuse me. I printed it, and we'll see how that goes. Now, to the really fun stuff, because I fell in love with this planner cover. When I saw the bunny rabbits, I knew I wanted this cover. There it is. So it is quilted. It has the bow snap. So as you can see, the discs are going to look awesome with this cover. And they came as a set. So it has a pocket, snap-in cover. Now, it is bigger than the Happy Planner by 1 disc. So a standard Happy Planner is here, and it has 1 more disc. So it's a little bit larger. Let me see. It is also just slightly, maybe not. Nope. It is the same width. It's just taller. So that's good to know. And I just fell in love with this beautiful, beautiful. Actually, I thought it was going to be more brown. It's actually more a greenish tan. And that was kind of a pleasant surprise because tan is not my favorite color, but I just fell in love with the bunny rabbits. So we can add the discs. Fun, fun, fun. I'm so excited. Did I need this? Probably not. Did I want it? It sat in my cart for probably 4 months before I bit the bullet and decided yes. And there are other aspects that I would like to try, but I do find that I think they're 4-month increments, they're planners, inserts. And because they're daily, I want to say it's 4 months, but it could be 6. I'm not sure. But anyway, they're kind of, it's kind of on the expensive side. So I decided to go with the content machine insert to start, and we'll see if I fall in love and want to try other stuff. Maybe I will ask about becoming a content creator for them. We'll see. Oh, they did actually give me 1 extra disc in case I lost one. That's cool. It's always nice to have an extra. It's a little stiff, and that's probably because, like I said, the Happy Planner has wider inset, deeper inset than the Daily Grind. Not that big of a deal, but I found that they stay in much better if they have the longer little mushroom. So we will just pop these in really quick. I did not buy dividers. The other thing is that everything comes separate with them, which is nice. And then the dividers that you buy, you can buy them coordinating with the different covers, which is really nice. And they all have pockets. All the dividers have pockets. It's not a monthly system, so you don't get like the monthly divider. It is a goal-setting daily planner, which I'm not a daily goal-setting planner type, but I need to move the needle. I need to get more focused, and my current system wasn't working, and I really wanted to try this out. See if, oops, I think I tried to put too many in at one time. See if this will help me. I don't know if it will. I'm a procrastinator. I also have very low energy. I suffer from low energy, thyroid, that kind of stuff. And so what other people can do is not always what I can do. Okay, so the cover is a little stiff trying to go around it, but I think that's just because it's so new. And I have plenty of room in there if I wanted to add other inserts, but we're going to just stick with this one for now. Now, something I absolutely did not need, but because I love bunnies, I had to buy the planner bag. All right, it is quilted. It is thick, so that you can put your laptop in here as well and it won't get damaged. So let's check it out. I wanted to open everything up and show it to you with kind of my first impressions of everything. So we have a nice zipper. Look at these little ruffles. Oh my God, that is so cute. Love it. Love it. A nice, generous pocket in the front. Place where you could, you see that? Place where you could put a bottle. I don't know. I have a Pepsi bottle that let me see if it'll fit. It would. So yes, that's very nice. There's 2 of those, 1 on each side. And there's your, this is padded, and so is this, and so is this. But this is probably where you would put your laptop. There's my laptop, I can show you. There is plenty of room for my laptop in there. I hope you can see this because this is as high as my camera goes. Sorry. So then you can secure it with a little thing. Then there's also these pockets. On this side, there's a short pocket, like a business card or something small type, credit card or whatever you want to put in it. And then you have this one with a snap. And then it has a place for like a keys, so you don't lose your keys or something that you needed to hang there and not lose on the bottom. My mouse could very easily go in there. I don't know. The only thing I don't see is, like, I would have liked, and maybe you could put pens in here on the side, but I would have liked it if they, like, stuck. I wanted to make sure it was closed. I guess that could work there too for the pens. It's not quite deep enough for that. Like, it barely attaches over that little thing. Okay, so it's cute. I fell in love with it. I had to have it. It was not an impulse buy, but it was definitely something I truly didn't need. But I wanted it. So I got it. I don't need that. So, yes, I am very excited. It looks very well made. Very nice, very nice. And it's not, let's see. Where's my ruler? I just had it out. There it is. So it's about 3 inches in width. And we're talking, this is a generous bag. It is over 12 inches long. So you could probably put a 15-inch tablet laptop in here without any problems. All right, so that is my other little haul here. And then as I work on this, I will share videos, maybe a little bit of the after the pen. I don't know, it depends on how it goes. But I definitely will be talking about this as I work through this, give you my thoughts, my opinions. I think that I could easily take and section off and put my happy planner in here too. even though it's smaller, I don't necessarily think I'm gonna mind that, just because I love the cover so much. But I am not a person who likes to carry around a lot of stuff. Like, that's why I have one planner, Franken planned with all my tabs. Everything is in here, good to go. Whenever I need to go to an appointment or to dog sit, I just grab that. It's all together. My pages are usually done in advance for the next week, so it's just really nice and simple. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you look forward to coming back and seeing how it all works. And just look at that. Just, can you see those bunnies? They are just so adorable. I love it. Now, some things I notice. A cloth cover, if you spill it, and depending on what you're drinking, it's probably going to stain. I don't know that it's treated, but that is a consideration for people. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. It's kind of a give and take at the moment. We'll see how dirty it becomes. This was under their croquette launch that happened, I want to say at the beginning of summer, because they just launched something else, but it wasn't planners, it was notebooks, which are absolutely gorgeous notebooks. But it's not the kind I use. I am a disc person. All my paper is disc. I love the discs. So bound notebooks are not my thing. All right, thank you guys so much. Please hit the thumbs up button. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button, the little bell, so that you're notified when I put out new content. And I will make sure that I link the Daily Grind website in the description, as well as put it in the title, so that, you know, if you're not interested in the Daily Grind stuff, you don't have to watch those videos. Thank you. Bye-bye for now.